Hello everyone, welcome to vishnuiasacademy. Today we will discuss about a important food security program in the tribal community. Let's begin with. To start with, this little leaf bundle holds the one of the oldest secret of food security. Let's see what it is. So this is a tribal community wherein they store seeds for 5 years even without any fridge or without using any chemicals in it. So that is called as deda. So deda is a term for this kind of storage used by this tribal community, and will in the next coming slides we will see who are they and from where their origins are. And if you see, these are like belongs to this part. So they belong to Chhattisgarh. If you see, before 2012, because of the riots between the left-wing people and the central armed forces, all the people, especially this Bastar regions of Chhattisgarh, all these tribal community, they have migrated to Andhra Pradesh, that to this region. Alluri Sitaramraju district of the Andhra Pradesh, they have migrated. Now they settled in the Godavari valley of Alluri Sitaramraju. Before, they were in Chhattisgarh, Bastar region. From that time to till now, they are following the same culture of preserving seeds without using any pesticides. So this is what it's seen. If you see, these are the seeds which they preserved, and by using some sort of leaves and some natural anti-pesticides, they will be preserving the seeds. So this is the movement, and if you see, that community is nothing but a Murya tribe. If you know, till now Chhattisgarh is very famous for not only left wing but also painting. This is a great Murya painting by Chhattisgarh Murya community, and if you see, these are the Murya people, and this ancient knowledge data is in these forest dwellers got this from through ancient things or the ancient sculptures, and that sculpture they have painted there, and they are using still this kind of tradition even till today. And this Murya tribe, they are so important because, as I said, they will be migrating, and you can see this is the Godavari valley near Alluri Sitaramana district. They have done this in order to become the environment with a sustainable friendly manner, and without any chemicals, in order to make environment so friendly. So this tradition, not only now, they are following this since ancient times. And if you see, why they have, if you see, as I said, this is Chhattisgarh Bastar region. They have migrated or relocated here because of the atrocities or because of the problems faced due to the riots between the wars or the things between the left wings and central forces, that forced them to migrate from that Bastar region to this area, as I said earlier also. And that's why now they are happy in Alluri Sitaramraju district of Andhra Pradesh. And if you see, now the question is how they are going to do this. They will be storing in a leaf, and that leaf I will show you. This is nothing but a wood ash. If you see, this is a wood ash wherein they will be using some sort of leaves called seli leaves, or in Telugu we will call addakulu. So in addakulu, they will be putting all the lemon leaves inside for extra protection, because as lemon, we use lemon for antioxidant also. In the same way, for the protection against germs and viruses. In the same way, this addakulu, in between, they will be keeping the lemon leaves, and that will be placed in the wooden box. That this is the wooden box, and they will be tightening with a rope so that the air will not flow inside. So this is for extra protection. They added this lemon as well as this addakulu, so that they will be preserving the seeds. So this is the seeds, and they will be keeping inside, and they will be air tightening it so that they can be preserved for up to 5 years. See, even when the ancient times, when there were no fridges, no pesticides, this culture was used even in the IVC period also. That IVC period or the ancient period system, still this Murya tribe are following. That's what the tradition and culture of India. Because as we know, India is a abode of culture and tradition. This is the good example for that one. And if you see after planting in the airtight container, they'll be using for the future use. So whenever there is a dry season and whenever there is a short of seeds, they'll be taking them out and they'll be growing as a plant. So they'll have continuous crop throughout the year. So there is no insecurity for food. That's a main reason this is very important for us, and it is very sustainable way of storing the grains. And this is the what we can see, and this is a chemical free vault, and as I said, it is a biodegradable chemical free vault, and this is centuries of knowledge in it. And these families have viable seeds. These people will have seeds throughout the year. That's why it is very important. So following and knowing this type of knowledge and following this type of method would be very beneficial even today, because now we are going towards carbon neutrality and we are going towards sustainability. So in order to make our India Vikasit Bharat, these type of techniques are very helpful us. And if you see, especially there's a girl, after taking 5 years from that vault, now she's picking that vault from the outside. And if you see, this especially in Chinturi agency, this thing will be followed. So Chinturi is the famous place where this type or data is used in a more efficient manner. And as I said, it's an example of resilience, sustainability and a great agriculture heritage of India. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed our session. If you like our initiative, please share, comment our Vishnuiasacademy YouTube channel. Thank you.